Okay, kiddo, it turned out to be much easier than I thought it was. It's literally finding common denominator. Oops. Okay. So the first one I'm going to show you have 1 over mn plus 1 over m, and then 2n minus 2. So your common denominator will have m, which is already present. So we already have the m. Then you will have n, which this one is missing. So you will have to multiply this by n. And then this one has 2n minus 2, and this one doesn't. So you will multiply this by 2n minus 2. So then we proceed with 2n minus 2 over mn 2n minus 2. That's the common denominator, plus n over, again, that obnoxious mn 2n minus 2. And then you turn that into a single fraction with that mn 2n minus 2. And then here you have 2n plus n, that will be 3n minus 2. To check whether you are correct, let's choose some two easy numbers. Let's say m equals 1 and n equals 2. So in that case, the strict 1 mn plus 1 m 2n minus 2, if we put 1 for m and 2 for n, it's going to be 1/2 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 2, that's going to be 2. So 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the same numbers in here. So that's going to be 6 minus 2 over 2 times 2, right? 2 times 4 minus 2, which is 2. So that's going to be 4 over 4 is also 1. So we're correct on that. R, what are you doing? What are you doing? R over R minus 1 minus R minus 1 over R. So your common denominator, R minus 1. And we're not going to distribute this because we're required to give it in the simplest form, to give that one fraction in the simplest form. So then we're missing r for this one, so that's r squared, and we're missing this whole r1 minus r minus 1 for the other one. So minus, basically r minus 1 squared. So all you need to do is just unfoil that part. So that is going to be r squared minus r squared plus 2r minus 1 over r minus 1. These guys cancel, so you end up with 2r minus 1 over r minus 1. And that's it. There you go.